Hi, good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Josephine Maynez from Santa Ana, Manila, Philippines. 38 years old with long-time living partner. We have 3 kids. They are 16 years old, 14, and 6 years old. My educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies is cooking, cycling, reading, watching movies. I work as a housemaid in UAE for 4 years. 5 members of family, including 3 kids, that they are 6 years old, 3 years old, and 6 months. My main duties are cooking, take care of the kids, preparing their food, cleaning the house, laundry, iron. Please, my future employer, please hire me because I'm loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise, when you hire me, I'll do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.